c'est que
to the theme of the message,
le thème de ce message,
Mr. Flesh must die.
le maître chair doit mourir.
That is to say,
Ça veut dire,
if we truly want to be of the Spirit of God
on veut être l'esprit de Dieu
as a church person,
comme l'homme de l'église.
there is something called flesh,
C'est ce qu'il appelle la chair,
which was
et
reproduced
qui a été reproduit
by human.
par lui-même.
So they hear this today.
Et écoute ceci aujourd'hui,
There is no way you can drag yourself
tu ne peux pas te tirer
to that spirit
de cet esprit
until something has happened to you.
jusqu'à quelque chose t'est passé sur toi.
There is no way you can understand what I am interpreting to you
Il
now
n'y a pas le monsieur qui t'interprète maintenant.
until something has happened to you.
Quelque chose s'est passé sur
Just
toi.
the word I said.
Comme la parole qu'il a dit,
You can be flesh
tu peux être la chair
and still be a preacher.
et tu dois être prêcheur.
You can be flesh
Tu peux être la chair,
and still be an evangelist.
être un évangéliste.
You can be tongue-free, speaking in
Tu
tongues,
peux parler la langue
and still be a flesh.
et être toujours dans la chair.
You can be a church
Et
attendant
tu peux aller en assistant de l'église
and still be a flesh.
et pour toujours dans la chair.
But the truth is that
Mais la vérité est que
in Galatians chapter 5 verse 17,
Galates chapitre 5 verset
the
17,
Bible said there is a battle,
il y a la
there
bataille
is a gulf
et il y a un ballon
between the flesh
entre la chair
and the spirit.
et l'esprit.
And that is the gateway to heaven.
Et c'est le portail au ciel.
It is just the flesh
Et c'est juste la chair
and the spirit inside.
et l'esprit dedans.
And he said, for the flesh lusted against the spirit.
Et la chair convoitise contre l'esprit.
The flesh is always antagonizing the spirit.
Il antagonise l'esprit
And the spirit against the what? The
contre
flesh.
la chair.
This one is saying, no, stop this character.
Il faut arrêter cette
This one
caractère.
is saying, no, this is what I want.
Et c'est ce que je veux.
And these are contrary.
Et ce qui était contraire
They want to the other.
en autre.
And he said,
Et il a dit,
so that ye cannot do the things
vous ne pouvez pas faire des choses
ye would.
où vous voulez.
So left alone,
Et laissez seul.
the flesh want to do what he wants.
La chair veut faire ce qu'il veut.
The flesh want to please himself.
Et la chair veut te
In
plaisir
Romans
à
8
lui-même.
verse 7,
Romains 8 verset
the
7.
Bible said the carnal man,
L'homme charnel,
the carnal mind
le pensée charnel plutôt,
is an enmity against God.
c'est l'ennemité contre Dieu.
For it is not subject to the law of
Il
God,
n'a pas été suggéré
neither indeed can be.
où il peut être.
Let's look at the new NLT translation. For the sinful nature
La nature d'un
is
péché,
always hostile to God.
il est très mal à Dieu.
It never did obey God's law,
Il n'a jamais obéi à la loi de Dieu.
and it never will.
Et il n'a jamais voulu.
Don't be carried away.
Il ne faut pas être pris.
When you see a flesh,
Quand tu vois la chair,
identify that this is flesh.
il faut identifier que ceci c'est la chair.
When you see a spirit,
Quand tu vois un esprit,
forget speaking in tongue.
oublie, parle la langue.
Forget a prophet
Oubliez ton
who
prophète
can see beyond.
et qui peut voir au-delà
Forget who is not wearing earring.
et qui ne porte pas de...
And forget the one who may even put on neck shape.
Et ceux qui portent même la chair
May even be better than the one not wearing earring.
est plus que celui qui ne porte pas.
The truth is this.
La vérité est que,
In the definition of the revelation what is given you here,
et la révélation qu'il a donnée ici,
it means,
ça veut dire,
he said the flesh
il a dit, la chair
can never
ne peut jamais
obey.
obéir.
He said it's always hostile,
Il est toujours à lui.
only fighting.
Il combattre.
It never did obey God's law.
Il n'a jamais obéi la loi de
And he
Dieu.
went further.
Il est allé devant.
Oh, that last word there, what did he say the last word? And it what? And it will never.
Hein, il ne va jamais.
That is a state of a person that is a flesh.
Et c'est l'état de la personne qui est dans la chair.
That is why you can easily identify a flesh.
Et tu peux identifier la chair.
But if we want to make it better for us,
Tu peux le faire mieux plus
the
loin.
Bible now took us back.
La Bible nous a reculé derrière.
When he explained it in Galatians chapter 5,
Explique Galates chapitre
he
5.
made it plainly.
Il les a fait
So
clairement.
okay, let me begin to bring one after the other.
Il est revenu un à
In case you
l'autre.
are speaking in grammar,
Quand tu parles la
in
grammaire,
NLT translation, Galatians 5 verse 19,
Galates 5 verset
he
19,
said,
il a dit,
these are not the works of the flesh.
c'est le travail de la chair.
One, adultery.
L'adultère.
And what is adultery?
Qu'est-ce que c'est l'adultère?
When you follow the desires of your sinful nature,
Le désir de
the
ta nature
results
péché.
are clearly.
Les résultats sont
One,
clairs.
sexual immorality.
L'immoralité sexuelle.
That is number one work of the flesh.
Et c'est le premier travail de
He
la
said
chair.
he never obey God.
Il n'a jamais obéi à
And
Dieu.
it will never
Et il ne va jamais
will.
vouloir.
He gave it clearly.
Il a donné ça clairement.
Sexual immorality.
L'immoralité sexuelle.
You can put a man in a position in a church and took that advantage to be going out with a lady.
Et il peut aller avec la femme dans une position.
Somebody can be in church to be an elder, a young person, a choir, an evangelist, and a pastor, and you assume that because a branch pastor, he knows God.
Et tu penses que tu connais
He said
Dieu.
it will never obey.
Il ne va jamais obéir.
That is the work of the
Et
flesh.
ça, c'est la chair
Impurity.
dans l'impureté.
Then he went further and said lustful pleasures.
Et des plaisirs de convoitise.
Now, let's begin to take it down so you can get it. Idolatry.
L'idolâtrie
Idolatry.
et l'idolâtrie.
Anything that takes the attention from God.
Ce qui t'a enlevé de Dieu.
Sorcery.
La sorcellerie.
Going to places to check what are they saying?
Et qu'est-ce qu'ils disent dans des
Who is
endroits?
after my life?
Et qui est devant moi?
Throw the thing and check for me.
Il faut faire l'incantation pour moi voir.
Hostility.
Et ce qui est du mal,
I'm not going to agree.
je ne peux pas.
I'm not going to take on.
Je ne peux pas prendre.
This is who I am.
C'est ce que je suis.
You don't know me.
Je ne me connais
This is
pas.
my stand.
C'est mon tenir.
Quarreling.
La querelle
Jealousy.
et la jalousie.
I like this your clothes. How much you buy? Am?
J'aime
I
ta
like
vie.
and the way be. I like this one the way they do. I won't buy this same type.
Je vais l'acheter de la même chose.
Outburst of what? Anger.
Et qui était sorti avec de la colère.
Somebody can be very gentle and quiet.
Et tu es un peu trop gentil.
Provoke the
calme.
person, he can break bottle on your head.
Il faut le programmer maintenant. Il va briser la bouteille sur ta tête.
Selfish ambition.
L'ambition de soi-même.
They're not the taker of me. They're not the taker of me.
Il ne prend pas soin de moi.
Dissension and division.
Et ce qui est du mal est la
If you
division.
are not pleasing the person enough, then let's stop this. Let's scatter this.
Et quand tu ne le rends pas plaisir, on va le
And verse
disperser.
21.
Et le verset 21.
Envy,
Et l'envie,
drunkenness.
la convoitise.
That white parties has to do with reveling. In the King James is reveling. White parties.
Ce qu'ils disent ici encore,
Yes. And that's reveling, the spirit of reveling. Now, white parties.
ce qu'ils disent encore ici,
And you party, you invite people after they have drunk malt and the rest, you bring your beer and you bring your start, and the music continues.
et tu continues sur la célébration.
Wide parties. And
danses,
other
les danses.
sins like this.
Et d'autres le voient comme ça.
Let me tell you again,
Et va te le dire encore.
as I have before, that anyone living that sort of life,
Et qui vit ce genre de vie,
I don't know where you want to go, whether you have your own kingdom.
tu ne sais pas qui a toi, tu as
But
ton
if we
royaume.
go to verse 19, where we start reading it from,
Et dans le verset 19, on nous
the
lisait,
question is, check your level of faithfulness.
il faut contrôler ta vie de la
The Bible said
fidélité.
it will never
Il ne va jamais
obey God.
obéir à Dieu.
That is a status of a flesh.
Et ça, c'est le statut de
For
la
the
chair.
person to be in leader of a choir,
Un leader
usher,
pastoral
branch pastor, GO, does not make him a pastor.
ne le fait pas d'un pasteur.
A church go and attendance
Et je
does not
suis
make
l'assistant
one.
de l'église, ne te fais pas celui-là.
That's why I said one day can say, I'm no longer going there again.
Je ne veux plus.
Oh, that's not any problem.
C'est pas ton problème.
What about the good times and the miracles and the testimonies? Oh, no, they are like this.
Ils sont comme ça.
It means the person has just been provoked.
La personne a été mal
And the
faite.
work of the flesh has been kept all along.
Et le travail de la chair lui ont.
Somebody can pretend to be very sincere, holy conscious person.
Et tu penses qu'il est nécessaire de
There
conscience.
is always a season for the flesh to speak.
Il y a la saison de la chair pour parler.
That shows what you are.
Et ce qui montre celui
Not
qui tu es.
when you are gentle, consciously by the yes sir.
C'est pas quand tu es gentil.
There
tu
is
m'appropries,
a
merci.
time to show the level of your flesh.
Il y a le temps pour montrer.
And then the
le niveau
manifestation of the flesh become
La
clear.
manifestation de la chair devenir très claire.
It is like that.
C'est comme ça toujours.
And when this has not been destroyed,
Et quand il n'a pas pu
it
détruire
shows all along what the person has been manifesting.
ce que la personne
In the
faisait
name of gentleness, in the name of a member of a church.
au nom de membres de
It's
l'église,
just flesh.
c'est juste la
The
chair.
flesh will always come out.
La chair doit toujours
And
sortir.
one day it will show who he is. obvious.
Et un jour, ça va montrer
And
que
he
tu-
made it clear.
il lui a fait clairement.
Sexual immorality,
Et l'immoralité sexuelle,
that is adultery,
ce fut l'adultère.
comprising of all manners of immorality,
Et fêtant l'immoralité
impurity,
et l'impureté.
lustful pleasure.
Et d'un plaisir de convoitise.
Last night, I sent a video to me that I watched. I was shocked to see Yahoo people have gone beyond now. They went to a river and they were carrying a bunch of money thrown inside the river. They would carry a bunch of money, they would throw inside the river. There were 3 of them. They were almost naked, throwing it, sacrificing to the river. What are they looking for? Worldly pleasure.
D'un plaisir mondain.
Just to meet, to be shown that they are big men, they are big boys.
Montre qu'ils sont des grands
And
hommes.
unfortunately, some pastors' children and pastors' wife children are into it. Even some pastors are into it.
Il y a des pasteurs qui font ça.
To make it worse,
Et faites le mieux.
some are the ones paying tithes and offering, and they are telling them, God will bless you. Your work
Eux
will
qui
grow
paient,
very well.
Son travail va montrer un jour
Lustful pleasure.
d'un plaisir de convoitise.
Where do we go from here?
Où est-ce qu'on va aller à partir de Jésus?
In that Galatians 5:17,
Galates 5, verset 17.
the Bible made it clear.
La Bible nous a fait clairement
For the flesh
de la chair.
lusted against the spirit,
Convoitise contre
and the
l'esprit. Et
spirit
l'esprit
against what?
contre la chair.
And these two, they are not the same.
Ils ne sont pas la même.
For the fact you are reproduced by human,
La vérité que tu es né,
there is another reproduction called the
il
spirit.
y a une autre reproduction
You
que
might be
l'esprit.
in the front of church,
Tu devais être devant l'église.
you might be called by a branch or a title of any name,
En titre d'un nom,
but in the spirit,
dans l'esprit,
you are nobody.
tu es personne.
That is why we saw one of our sisters on Wednesday. I said I was even going to call her out today. We saw her on Wednesday. She has been in one of the women's school. Very active women's school. Drama number 1. But she has been in the flesh.
Elle est fut dans la
She
chair.
has been manifesting the flesh.
Elle se manifestait dans la chair.
She is very known in the church.
Elle était reconnaissante dans l'église.
But unknown to her,
Sans le savoir,
like many of you today,
beaucoup d'entre vous aujourd'hui,
they are the same like her, like the flesh.
ils sont la même comme
Until
elle.
one day,
Et jusqu'à un jour,
God personally entered her heart,
Dieu entre
communicated to her,
l'a communiqué
and her flesh died.
et sa chair est morte.
If nothing drag you from the flesh to him,
C'est qu'on l'a tiré de chair dans lui.
forget what Pastor Joma call you.
Oublie tant de noms que
Forget the plenty sticker in your car, your house.
Oublier les perpétuels
The
de ta
flesh
maison.
must come one day.
La chair de
Why is it going to come?
Pourquoi de ressortir?
Two of them are always at war.
Et les deux sont
And when it's going to come,
antagonisme.
oh, I'm not going to that church
Je ne
again.
veux pas aller à cette église encore.
Oh, I'm no longer a member of that
Je
church.
ne suis plus dans
Even when you see the truth,
Mais quand tu vois la vérité,
you will be existing. Ah, no, I don't take that. I don't take that.
je ne prends pas cela, je ne prends pas cela.
The flesh.
De la chair.
Until the flesh dies,
Jusqu'à la chair est morte.
you can't get what I'm telling you.
Je ne peux pas avoir ce qu'ils te disent.
The flesh has to die.
La chair doit mourir.
Mr. Flesh has to die.
Monsieur, la chair doit mourir.
Majority of them you see in the media department.
Quand tu les vois dans
Why I'm
les
only
médias,
shouting media.
quand le client média,
No one has a spirit there.
et rien n'a pas d'esprit de là.
Mr. Flesh at work.
Le méché, la chair.
Majority of them in the choir, to God be the glory for the heavenly voices.
La majorité dans la chorale ici,
If you divide them into 5 places,
quand tu les divises en 5
maybe only 2 has a spirit.
ont de l'esprit.
If you go to the pastor side,
Quand tu viens vers le pasteur
you see where pastors are sitting and gossiping
et tu vois le commérage d'un
and
pasteur
hosteling and talking,
et parle le fait du
you
commérage.
know that Mr. Flesh is at work.
Et le méché, la chair est
If you go
travail.
to the protocol,
Quand tu vas dans les protocoles,
I'm yet to see one born again now, self.
il n'a jamais
And I'm
vu
not
un
making
nouveau.
voice, I'm not making truth, I'm not telling the fact.
Il ne te dit pas la
I'm yet
vérité.
to see one. If this one go, this one come in, this one go, this one come in. They operate the same government. You know, anything going on here, we have to keep it in secret, we have to keep it in secret. Mr. Flesh is always suggesting how to cover their
Leur
sin.
péché.
If you go to the usher
Quand tu vas dans le
department,
département de
you see,
d'accueil, tu vois les murmures.
and they will tell you, okay, you are a new person coming, we're going to frustrate you, you want to show yourself. Let's see how far you can
On
go.
va voir comment est-ce que tu vas aller.
Mr. Flesh is the decider.
Il est le
They
décideur.
they are talking, but what is talking
Mais c'est qu'il parle.
is Mr. What? Flesh. Then if you enter the sanitation department,
Au niveau de sentinelle.
they are sanitizing the house, but the flesh
Mais
is
la chair qui
worst.
est très mal.
If you go to the main foundation,
La fondation de
don't even go there.
faut pas même parler.
you are looking for trouble.
Tu cherches le trouble.
Then you will see what we call Mr. Flesh raised to power
Vous
100.
allez voir, monsieur,
If you go to the women department,
le département de la femme.
you have to add like 4 to the 100.
Je dois ajouter,
You will see quarreling.
je vois la querelle.
This your rapper, how much is it?
Et cette
How much is, what is your husband doing? Your husband is not taking care of you.
mari ne prend pas soin de toi.
When they see the senior pastor coming,
Moi, le grand pasteur qui vient,
Mr. Flesh raised to power 500.
est élevé au niveau 5.
Mr. Flesh is the order of the day.
Et monsieur, la chair est l'ordre du
You
jour.
write some pastors, they will write some things. Number 1 to number 30.
Le numéro à 30,
You see this one,
ceci là,
you see that one,
voyez celui-là,
you see this one.
celle-ci.
What is talking from
il
them?
parle de là,
Mr. Flesh.
le monsieur dans la chair.
If your flesh die,
Quand ta chair est morte,
you are crucified to the
tu étais
cross.
crucifié dans la croix,
You will not see who is suffering you.
tu ne sais pas qui te fait
You will
souffrir,
not see who is punishing
tu
you.
ne fais pas ce qui te punit,
You will see the work ahead.
et ils vont le travail
You
en
will put
devant.
Christ
Tu
first.
mettre le Christ devant.
But some of them,
D'autres parmi eux,
they will put their vehicle.
ils mettent leur voiture.
They will put how they want to achieve property now.
Comment réaliser des propriétaires?
What is inside them
Celui qui est en eux,
is Mr. Flesh.
c'est monsieur dans la chair.
Mr. Flesh will tell you this earring you have on your ear is not enough.
Et la balle que tu portes dans les
Increase it to size 4. Make one here. Put another one. Put another one. In fact, the women they say, put one in this place of your nose. Let them know that you are the one that is coming. Mr. Flesh.
monsieur dans la chair.
Mr. Flesh
Le monsieur dans la chair
will make a young boy do ratty head and make it like dada and put on everywhere.
et fait dans le cheveu d'un
And wear
rasta
a very sag trouser and put it to this corner.
et le mettre dans ce
Or
côté
a knicker and sag it. And when it's coming, for me, I'm a big
il
boy.
fait en grand.
What is happening to him? Mr.
C'est le
Flesh.
monsieur dans la chair.
Mr. Flesh
Monsieur dans la chair.
will make a pastor cancel a old man for 5 minutes, old woman for 10 minutes, a young sister for 1 hour.
1 heure de temps.
He's not doing any counseling.
Il ne fait pas le conseil.
He's only subjecting himself or himself to what he's seeing. Some of the things figures he's trying to satisfy the
Il
eye,
satisfait les yeux.
the lust of the eye,
La conversion des yeux,
the lust of the body,
conversion de
and
corps
the pride of life.
et l'orgueil de la vie.
The day you understand what I'm preaching to you that I'm not exciting you,
De ce qui te prêche maintenant, tu
you
vas
can
être
tell
content.
yourself today,
Dieu, à toi-même aujourd'hui,
I have never known God.
je ne connais pas Dieu.
Mr. Flesh, sir,
Le monsieur dans la chair, monsieur,
will make you carry a handbag.
tu prends le
Inside
sac.
the handbag,
Dans le sac,
there is a lipstick that is red that want to decorate an idol in the lips.
et tu vas mettre tes lèvres dans des choses.
Then there is a tiro that want to bring this place very clear.
Il y a le tiro qui va faire ça.
There's a mirror in the bag.
Il y a le miroir dans le
Sometimes there's
sac.
an attachment in the bag.
Et il y a aussi dans cela dans
Then there is one small Bible they never open, put at the corner.
petit Bible
Should the
qui
case in motor want to have an accident, they can, hey Jesus,
va appeler Jésus.
and bring your Bible out and be saying, I bind you, I bind you, I bind you, I bind you.
Attaché.
Somebody say, Mr. Flesh.
Et quand tu dis monsieur dans la chair,
Mr. Flesh, you make a choir girl come to church innocent.
il vient d'une fille chorale, il vient de l'église.
No hearing, no attachment.
Il y a part de
But
bague.
when you see her at the corner of the road,
Quand tu le vois au côté de la
the
route,
bomb shot is going to wear. Somebody is saying, oh, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit. I will look again. Is that not the choir girl that I used to see with that
tu
voice?
vois avec cette voix,
Mr. Flesh.
monsieur dans la chair.
Mr. Flesh will tell you, I don't bother what they are talking
T'en
about.
fiches pas ce qu'ils se disent.
I know God, I have Jesus to myself. I don't care who does not, whatever anybody saying to
Il
me.
me dit à moi,
But the character of the Spirit
car dans l'esprit
is not there.
n'est pas là-bas.
Mr. Flesh,
Le monsieur dans la chair,
you will put a pastor on punishment.
mettre le pasteur dans le
And the
punition,
pastor will say, I'm going to another church.
je retourne vers
It
une autre
doesn't
église.
matter where he goes.
Peu importe là où il va.
It's a long time.
C'est à un moment donné,
The first dream of this year I had January
le premier rêve dans ce
was a
janvier,
family, we were still a kid.
la famille dont
We were put
la-
attending our former church, African church, when we were young. And then something happened.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
I saw a lot of prisoners were about to be released.
Ils ont détaché.
In my community, the whole village, the town were filled up, the field were filled up. All were lying at the front of the church.
Tous, ils sont allongés devant l'église.
I got there with white suit, white adagba, white shoe. And I was wondering, all these fine ladies wear jeans, wear fine blue jeans, blue net akara, simple looking, but they said they've been in prison.
Ils sont dans la prison.
And then they wanted to release them.
Ils veulent les détacher.
So I went there. I went with Adagba, very big and gorgeous. I entered the place.
Il est allé là.
I saw a family.
On a vu une famille.
I look at them.
Les a regardés.
Are you supposed to be here?
Vous devez être ici.
What are you doing here?
Qu'est-ce que vous faites ici?
Then I beckoned on the. I said, your problem,
Il a dit,
the work God gave your father to do in this ministry.
vous avez donné
Your
la
father
chance.
left as a result of anger.
Le père a quitté dans le résident de la
That has
colère.
been the problem of your family.
Ce fut le problème de la famille.
I said, now that your father is not capable, the father is now 93 years.
Le père a 93 ans.
I said, in the dream I was telling her,
Dans le rire.
go back.
Retourne.
And when you are going back,
Quand tu
go
retournes,
there and walk
va là-bas et tu
so that
travailles.
you can be free
Tu dois être
and
libre.
go with all your family.
Et va avec toute ta famille.
Me that was talking,
Lui qui parle.
and I asked myself again, talking to myself, I was like two. What about me?
Et lui.
And they said, you have long been released.
Et tu as été détaché depuis.
And that's why you are where you are today.
C'est pour ça que tu es là où tu es aujourd'hui.
Many of you today,
Beaucoup d'entre vous aujourd'hui,
Mr. Flesh will give you the suggestion.
ministère de la chaise me donne la
A
suggestion.
lady will come to church and they say, what happened, sir?
La dame va venir à l'église.
What happened, ma?
Qu'est-ce que se passe,
They say you are pregnant, you are a choir person.
Tu as un monde de chorale.
And he said,
Elle dit
well,
bien.
I just wanted to test if the man was impotent.
Et l'homme
I've
dit,
already
va
invited people for the
marcher.
wedding. Can they allow the wedding to hold?
Et tu peux permettre le mariage de
Mr.
tenir.
Flesh.
Monsieur dans la chair.
Mr. Flesh will make you say no.
Il va te dire non.
Let me test any man I want to
Et
marry.
je vais le texter.
Let me enjoy
Je vais
myself.
me réjouir.
Mr.
Le
Flesh.
monsieur dans la chair.
Today,
Mais aujourd'hui,
many of us are thinking we are truly born
on
again.
pense qu'on est de nouveau.
But there are two roads.
Il y a deux itinéraires.
The one of the flesh
Une de chair
and the one of the what?
et une de
And
l'esprit.
if you don't understand what I'm preaching to
Et
you,
quand vous ne connaissez pas ce qui
I
est de la
just-
chair,
use a word telling you.
utilisez la parole de Jésus.
Until something happened that dragged you from that flesh,
Quelque chose de se tirer de la chair.
you might not understand.
Je ne peux pas comprendre
Some
ça.
of you came to this church so many years ago
Des années passées,
with half dead body,
avec le demi-mort,
life almost
la
gone.
vie est déjà partie,
The next thing, you that same person.
et toi même personne.
It's not the one saying,
C'est toi qui dis maintenant.
analyzing this, you see that.
Analyse
You see
ceci,
this one, you see this
voici
one.
celui-là, voici ceci.
You that would have died,
Tu t'es quitté mort.
analyzer.
Il faut analyser.
If you have died, will you see a man to talk?
Quand tu es mort, tu peux penser encore.
That is what we call what? Mr.
C'est
Flesh.
ce qu'on appelle le monsieur dans la chair.
And let me tell you this today.
On va te dire ceci aujourd'hui.
There is a level God can never take you.
Il y a des niveaux, Dieu ne peut pas t'emmener.
If you forget anything I'm passing to you now,
Et quand tu oublies tout ce
there is a level God can never take
il y
you
a des niveaux, Dieu ne peut pas t'emmener.
except your flesh is dead.
Ou plutôt que ta chair.
When I
est
see
morte.
pastors who are murmuring, who are
Et
complaining,
les pasteurs qui se plaignent,
of course I know what is talking from them.
ils savent ce qui parle en
It
eux.
is flesh
C'est la chair
that is talking.
et qui parle.
When I see
Quand ils voient
murmurers, complainers,
les
gossipers,
murmureurs et comméreurs,
I know what is happening to them.
ils savent ce qui s'est passé eux.
It is flesh that is talking.
C'est la chair qui parle.
When I see people who are looking for gain, what to benefit,
Et ils cherchent leur.
I actually know what is talking from them.
C'est ce qui parle en eux.
It is flesh
C'est
that
la
is talking.
chair qui parle en eux.
Flesh will tell you,
La chair va te dire.
who are they paying the tithes to? Is it God coming to take it?
Et c'est Dieu qui mange la dîme.
Flesh will tell you,
La chair va te dire.
this January, no, things are very hard.
Les choses sont très dures.
I can't pay first fruit.
Je ne peux pas payer les prémices.
Flesh is always hostile.
Et la chair est toujours.
Is
devant.
always antagonist.
Il est toujours l'antagoniste.
There is a war
Il y a la guerre
between the spirits
entre l'esprit
and the flesh.
et la chair.
Flesh will tell you,
La chair va te dire.
who am I building this church for? Is it not for man?
Et j'ai bâti l'église pour un
It is
homme.
the general overseer that owns it.
Et c'est la fondateur qui
Pastor
passe.
John Mark Igosotu.
Pasteur Jean-Marc qui
He will never die, so he will live for 100 and 100
Il
years.
va vivre de 100 ans.
He will live for 1 million years.
1 million d'années.
He's the one that I'm doing it for.
C'est lui que je le fais.
Flesh is the one that is
Et
talking.
c'est la chair qui parle
So
toujours.
it is different to say,
C'est la différence pour
I
dire,
am a choir mistress.
c'est un don maître
I am
de
a
chorale.
choir master.
Et je le maître de
I am
chorale.
an evangelist.
Je suis un
I
évangéliste.
am a pastor.
Je suis un pasteur.
I am or this, I am that.
Je suis celui et
You
cela.
can give anybody can title you,
Et il peut te donner un titre.
but the flesh
Mais la
is
chair-
a different thing.
Et une chose est
That's
différente.
why many of you are not going anywhere.
Vous n'allez nulle part.
Many of you are not living truthful.
Beaucoup ne vivent pas.
A pastor
vérité.
will face the general overseer
Le pasteur dit au
and
fondateur.
lied and lied and lied.
Et monte et
And
monte.
then the pastor now telling, okay, look at this, look at this. Ah, I've realized. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Pardon, pardon.
There is too much of flesh.
Il y a trop de la chair.
Sometimes somebody told me many years ago,
Les gens lui disent des
why are you teaching all these pastors your secret, your
Pourquoi
secret?
tu enseignes le secret?
I said, I am teaching them to be better than me.
Et il a enseigné pour le
But
mieux.
I am not seeing anyone ready to be better than me.
Il ne voit nulle
It is not
part.
just to teach them.
C'est pas pour les
It
enseigner.
is living that life.
Et c'est vie.
One pastor said, you say you suffer in Escravos. What about me? I suffer in Abuja or Port Harcourt or Lagos.
Autre côté.
When we were pastor in Escravos,